This is the fastest way to bulk convert multiple videos to MP3 using one command. First, we need to install Ffmpeg. This app is a complete cross-platform solution to record, convert, and stream video and audio. You can download it manually from their website, but the easiest way is using the command line using winget. To do it, open CMD by pressing the Windows key, type CMD, and then press Enter. Type the winget installation command and then press Enter and wait for the application to download. Next, find the folder where your videos are stored. For me, it is under Videos and inside the SourceVideo folder, and also get the file path and paste it on Notepad. This will be used later for the command we'll be using to bulk convert. Create a new folder where you want to place the converted MP3. For me, I'll create a new folder under my Music Explorer and name it Converted MP3. Get the file location and paste it on Notepad. Having those already done, we can now bulk convert videos into MP3. Copy this on your command prompt. We need to change the source path with the source folder we copied earlier. The same with the destination path. This is the best setting possible to convert the files and to have the best audio quality. Press Enter and wait for the process to finish. We can now check the output folder to confirm if the conversion worked. If we play one of them, you'll hear the audio extracted from the video fully converted into MP3. And you're all set. Your MP3 files are now ready. If you want more shortcuts like this, like and subscribe for more.